Everybody, it's Heather Nichols here today. I'm going to share how I created these fun confetti balloon birthday cards using the Confetti Toss stencil and some modeling paste. First off, I started by stenciling some confetti onto toffee cardstock using toffee ink, and then I'm going to overlay another layer of confetti using metallics gels. I'm going to show you one using white pearl metallics gels, but I also did a card using the champagne mist. I'm going to have a little fun and add a little bit of extra sparkle into my embossing paste by actually stirring and mixing in some glitter into my paste. I used a fine glitter and I also used a coarse glitter just to get a really cool texture in my embossing paste. I'm using the Nuvo silicone media spatulas to spread the paste all over the stencil, and once I have it evenly coated, I take the stencil off. I'm also adding confetti to these balloons, and I just literally put the die cut shapes right under the stencil and added the paste right over the top. After you have all of the paste applied through your stencil, you're going to want to let everything dry. The metallics gel does take about 45 minutes to dry, so make sure you allow enough time. Once everything is dry, I'm putting these cards together so they're ready when it's time to celebrate. I had so much fun adding texture and sparkle to this set of birthday cards with the metallics gel and the glitter. I hope you'll add a little sparkle to your next project. You can find all of the supplies that I used today at tayloredexpressions.com. Thanks so much for joining me, everybody. I'll see you next time.